What I'm about to show you in this video is gonna literally blow your mind. This is one of the most expensive laptops we got our hands on in the recent times, and main highlight is it's the world's first laptop that literally features camera under display technology. Sashi Puri guys, Vimal here, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm like super duper excited because as I've told you just now, I got my hands on something exclusive from Lenovo, and let me tell you, it offers like top notch stuff guys, like next gen laptop is what I can say. This is Lenovo's all new Yoga Slim 9i 2025, and main highlight is it comes with like world's first camera under display technology. See, most of the laptops which have a webcam, right, they occupy like a lot of area at the top display, right, and because of that you have like a separate notch system or thick bezels and stuff like that. But Lenovo has completely changed that on their Yoga Slim 9i. So instead of having like any sort of bezel or anything, right, they've integrated the camera under the display. That means in your regular scenario, right, when you're watching the display, you cannot even check out or notice where the camera is. It is smartly hidden behind. I mean, that is very cool guys. So I'm like super excited to unbox and show you all of those features in this video. Apart from that, Yoga Slim 9i also packs like really interesting hardware. Obviously this is like a premium top notch stuff from the company, right? You're getting 14 inches 4K OLED display on board, 120 Hz, not to miss out quad speaker system, and obviously powerful hardware as well. It's powered by Intel's Core Ultra Series 2 platform. So that is pretty much it. This is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. And before we get started, let me tell you, this video was made in collab with Lenovo and Intel. A big thank you to them. And by the way guys, any sort of experience or feedback I'll be sharing in this video, right, it's completely based on my opinion only, nothing influenced by anyone. So our brand new Yoga Slim 9i came in this sort of packaging. There's nothing on the packaging guys, you just have the Lenovo branding and model mentioned over here. Now going to the side here, you can check out the specs and hardware configuration. So this laptop is available in like multiple configurations, and we'll anyhow talk about the rest of the specs and hardware once we get started with the unboxing. As soon as you open the outer packaging, there is actually one more mini laptop box on the inside. So there's a box inside a box, and this is the actual packaging. You got the Lenovo branding, and there you go boys. As soon as you open it, this is the laptop I've been waiting to show you all. Their new gen Yoga Slim 9i in this beautiful tidal teal finish. I mean, check it out. It looks quite premium and beautiful, right? We'll come back to the laptop in a moment. Keeping that aside, in the package you also get some accessories. There's some paperwork, just make sure to read that. And a USB-C 65-watt power adapter is also included. So that's it. These are all the items you got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the laptop, and first of all talk about the whole design, build quality and features. So there you go boys, our very first hands-on and initial look at Lenovo's all new Yoga Slim 9i 2025. And initial impressions, I have to mention that is a beautiful looking laptop. I mean, definitely looks premium for the price. So main difference I would say in terms of looks is Yoga Slim 9i literally features a mix and match between glass and aluminum metal body guys. I mean, check out the top lid over here. Instead of metal, you're getting a reinforced impact resistant glass, and let me tell you, it is also scratch resistant guys. Looks absolutely beautiful. Only thing is it's a bit reflective because obviously it's a glass, right, and also attracts a bit of fingerprints, so you might have to keep cleaning it once in a while. But apart from that, right, top notch looks is what I can say. Rest of the body is entirely made of metal, aluminum alloy to be precise. And not to worry guys, it is very well built and durable. In fact, it is also military standard 810H rated. Laptop is only around like 0.57 inches in thickness, and it's not that heavy also. Roughly weighs around 1.23 kg, so you can easily throw it in your backpack and carry it anywhere. What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look and show you all the available IO connectivity ports on this model. Starting off from the left profile, here you're getting one USB-C port on the left side that even supports Thunderbolt 4.0, followed by a tiny charging status LED indicator is also there, and I believe this one is your reset port button. There is nothing on the front profile, and rest of the ports are present on the right side. On the right side here you can check out there's a privacy e-shutter for the webcam, and this one is your power button with an integrated LED status indicator, and just beside that you're getting one more USB-C port. Even this one also supports Thunderbolt. I wish it had at least one USB Type A port, but unfortunately considering the whole thickness of the laptop and compact form factor, I think it was not possible, so you'll have to rely on some USB expansion hubs to get your job done. And here's how the bottom profile of the laptop looks like. Clean design, guys, and as I've told you, color is called as tidal teen. Looks absolutely beautiful. You got rubber foot pads on all the corners. There's a large vent as well, basically your air intake featuring the cooling system. And you see these tiny grills on the left and right profile. These are your speakers. The laptop literally features quad speaker system and also supports Dolby Atmos as well. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the exteriors. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up the laptop and then give you a closer look at the interiors as well. Ta-da! So this is how the new Lenovo Yoga Slim 9i looks like, and my god, check out the upper display section, guys. Absolutely bezel-less experience, right? I've told you, right, you're not getting any visible camera bumps or no notches, nothing like that. Clean display experience without any interruptions. That means you're literally getting around like 98% screen to body ratio with absolutely minimum bezels even on the bottom side also. And main highlight is you're getting a 14 inches OLED display in a 13 inches form factor body. I mean, that is pretty crazy. So that was about the upper half section. Moving on, let me give you a closer look at the lower half section and talk about the keyboard and touchpad. The Yoga Slim 9i features a white LED backlit chiclet keyboard, and quality of the keyboard is definitely nice. I've been using the laptop for the last couple of days and had a comfortable experience typing on this keyboard. Quality of the keys, the key caps is also nice. In fact, if you have a closer look, right, you're getting slightly dished out design, and that offers a bit more enhanced comfort experience. Not to miss out, you do have like white LED backlighting, which is also adjustable. Auto brightness mode is also there on the go using the function keys. Coming down to the touchpad quality is nice. You're getting a decent sized touchpad, not the biggest I would say considering the form factor. It's a premium glass covered touchpad, easily recognizes all my inputs and gestures, and the integrated buttons quality was also nice. So keeping the nitty gritty stuff aside, let's actually move on and talk about the main aspects of the laptop, starting off with the display and built-in speakers performance. So Yoga Slim 9i literally features a 14 inches 4K resolution WQUXGA, basically 3840 by 2400 120 Hz OLED display, and main highlight is it's got like 100% DCI-P3 color gamut range support and is also X-Rite color calibrated from the factory. You're getting Dolby Vision support and plenty of other stuff. See, I've been using this laptop for the last couple of days and binged watched a variety of content, guys. Not just work related stuff, I've also watched like movies, web series on OTT platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, and I have to say, guys, Lenovo is offering like one of the finest display that I've seen on a laptop in the recent times. Like excellent performance is what I can say. You're literally getting 4K resolution at 14 inches on a laptop. Great amount of detail. Everything looks like razor sharp, guys. Text is like very easily readable. Talking about the contrast, this is an OLED display, guys, so there's nothing less you can expect over here. Near to infinite contrast ratio and true blacks you can see on this panel. Colors were also nice. I mean, colors literally pop on the display, guys. It's a polar display, right? It's gonna show you like very rich and natural looking colors. I mean, check out this primary RGB colors in this demo videos over here. And let me tell you, the display supports up to like 100% DCI-P3 color gamut range and is also color calibrated from the factory, right? So maybe you are into like creativity or productivity, you handle a lot of Premiere Pro, video editing or color grading sort of stuff, right? You are going to be like very satisfied with the display that you're getting on this model. And talking about the speakers, on board you're getting quad speaker system. 2 woofers are there, each of 3 watts, and 2 tweeters, each of 2 watts. Totally can produce around like 10 watts of audio output. And yes, you're also getting Dolby Atmos support and smart amp technology. As I've told you, I've binge watched variety of content like YouTube videos, movies and web series as well, and overall audio experience on this laptop was top notch, guys. Excellent vocal clarity, all the dialogues were like crisp and clear, easily audible, and audio output also loud and satisfactory. I know, this is the part you people have been waiting for, right? How's the overall performance of this laptop? First of all, let me give you a closer look and talk about the hardware specs and configuration. The Yoga Slim 9i is available in like multiple configurations. Today in the home, our laptop is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 7 258V. It's basically 8-core 8-thread CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 4.8 GHz. So basically you're getting 4 P cores and 4 LPE cores. There are no E cores this time, regular, only LPE cores are there. Talking about the integrated graphics, here we are getting Intel's Arc Graphics 140V, which is almost 1.5 times faster than the previous gen. And not to miss out the NPU as well, you're getting an upgraded Intel AI Boost NPU, right? That can offer up to 47 tops and is almost like 4 times faster than the previous gen NPU. And especially if you're like a student or maybe you're from AI background in your work, right? And you run a lot of AI models, generative AI related applications, or maybe LLMs on your device, that NPU can definitely come in handy for you people. So I've been using the laptop for the last couple of days for my day-to-day related works, office related stuff, like photo editing, text editing. I've also ran like a dozen Chrome tabs in the background and nothing seemed to slow it down. Overall performance has been great for my day-to-day usage. Again, I'm telling you, this is not a dedicated gaming laptop, so don't expect you'd be able to play like AAA title games with maximum graphics with triple digit FPS. No, this is not made for that purpose. But still, who's gonna stop us from playing games? I mean, yes, casual gaming you'd like to do, right? So that is what we'll be testing out right now. For that sake, we will be playing some of the popular AAA title games in the market right now, and that too starting off with our all-time favorite GTA 5. We will be playing this game at 1080p resolution and all the graphics set to normal preset. And there you go, boys. Just sit back, relax, and hope you enjoy the gameplay. Oh, are you people looking at that frame rate? Not bad, right? I mean, look at that triple digit FPS on an average. So at 1080p normal graphics preset, we were easily getting around 150 to 155 PS. I can definitely see a good improvement in the graphic performance. One more thing I forgot to mention is the laptop also comes with something known as Lenovo AI Core. So this is basically like an adaptive power management system that is all done using AI. Lenovo's AI Core is specifically designed to intelligently manage your performance and power efficiency. No matter what sort of applications or workloads you're doing, maybe you're doing some sort of creative applications where you're rendering some videos or 3D models, right? The AI core will auto adjust the processing power based on your needs and requirements, hence extending battery life at the same time. All is done using like an innovative AI chip which is present on board. Also, remember at the beginning I've told you that Lenovo has introduced some new AI features on this laptop. They're called as Lenovo AI Now and Learning Zone. Lenovo AI Now is like a personalized on-device AI companion that greatly enhances your computing experience. It's powered by on-device hybrid local models and combines your personal knowledge base to offer you a smarter, safer and personalized AI experience. And one more main highlight is Lenovo AI Now works securely offline, guys. Doesn't even require internet connection to access all of these features. So all your data is like fully safe and secure on the laptop. Here you get two core features, Knowledge Assistant and PC Assistant. Knowledge Assistant delivers personalized answers and content based on local knowledge base. You can do plenty of things like ask a question, smart search for documents on the drive, images as well, keywords or any sort of information in a file document as well. You can even ask it to summarize a document for you, do comparisons and much more. This feature can greatly boost your productivity and help with your day-to-day sort of works. Now coming to PC Assistant, this feature offers an intuitive and hassle-free PC management experience. Like for example, if you're unable to find a particular device setting on your PC, right? You don't need to worry about that. Or maybe if you're facing some sort of performance optimization issue, right? Simply ask the PC Assistant over here and get your solution on the go, just like this. Like how simple is that? We're almost coming to an end, so let me also tell you about the battery life. On board, it comes with a 75 watt-hour lithium-ion battery and battery life was actually pretty good. On a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 45 to 50%, doing day-to-day sort of casual work, a bit of office related works, watching some YouTube videos and also a bit of photo editing, text editing, right? You can easily get around like 10 to 11 hours of battery life. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our video on Lenovo's all new Yoga Slim 99. It's a great AI PC, especially if you're like a business professional or even if you're like a content creator, you do a lot of productivity sort of stuff, right? You will be like quite impressed with the overall hardware and features that Lenovo is offering. Not to miss out that all new under display camera, guys. Great for meetings and briefing sessions. If you talk about the pricing details, the Yoga Slim 99 is roughly priced around 2 lakh rupees in the Indian market. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. You can visit Lenovo.com website to check out their entire range of PCs from IdeaPad, Yoga, Lock series to Legion gaming series as well. And apart from that, Lenovo also offers their customize your PC option exclusively on Lenovo.com website, where you can completely configure the device as per your specs and requirement and get your device delivered within 4 days of purchase in select locations. More details in the description box below. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.